Hi everyone, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the February 2018 Callaloo box. And if you've never seen my Callaloo box videos, I will link them in the description box below. So you can go check out the previous one and you'll find out more about this amazing subscription box service. So Callaloo box was formed by three Trini ladies. They were all born and raised in Trinidad. They now live out of Trinidad. They live in the US and Canada. So they've started this subscription box service for those of us who don't have access to all these Caribbean or Trinbagonian ingredients. So they've started this to connect us back to our roots. And the theme of this month's box is the Trinbago Creole box. So this box is going to connect us back to our African heritage. So join me as I take a look in the February 2018 Callaloo box. So when you open the box, there's the traditional thank you card with a little cute note. And then here's a content list of what's in the box. So they tell you the theme of this month's box. It's called the Trinbago Creole box. Trinbagonian cuisine is all about the flavor. In this box, we invite you to indulge in the taste of some of these flavorful seasonings and marinades from our African heritage. So this is more African-inspired condiments and seasonings. So there's browning, which we use to make black cakes, or you can use this in stew chicken or any types of stews. Pimento sauce. So pimento is more of a seasoning pepper. So if you're one who can't handle heat, then the pimento sauce is tasty, but it's not very hot. So they tell you what it is, a suggested use for it, and a helpful tip. So with the pimento sauce, they said it's a blend of pimento or seasoning peppers with vinegar, mustard, garlic, and shadow benny or culantro. We call this bandana in Trinidad. A suggested use is to use as a condiment for flavor, much like pepper or hot sauce, but without the spicy taste. A helpful tip, use it as a marinade for poultry, fish, and meat for enhanced seasoning. So there's cook-up seasoning in here, Creole seasoning, pepper or hot sauce, and coconut milk powder. This flyer gives information about the box. So in the box, usually you get seasonings, marinades, pepper sauces, condiments, snacks, and more. They do have a snack box as well. I'll leave all the information in the description box below. So you see they have a monthly Callaloo box subscription as well as a monthly snack box subscription. So all your favorite West Indian snacks or your Trinbagonian snacks, you can find them in this monthly snack box. And if you didn't want to do it as a subscription for every month, you could just do it for 1 month just to check it out. And if you like it, you could continue. If you don't have to. So the first thing we have here is some cook-up seasoning. I have to admit I usually don't use these, so I have never tried this one. But this could be used to flavor meats, even rice. You can make fried rice with this. Well, cook-up is like a pilau rice, a vegetarian rice. So you can use this to season that rice up. Oh, so we also got a little snack, which is usually included in the snack box. And when you think of Jub Jub in Trinidad, you always think of Diana Jub Jub. They're one of the popular brands for Jub Jub. It's just like a very gelatinous candy. Then we got 2 packages of coconut milk powder. So they're very cute, nice little packages. If you wanted to add to soups or to dumplings, I love adding coconut milk powder to dumplings. So I'll definitely be using these. And then we have the pimento sauce. I've actually never tried the pimento version of it, but Bertie's is a very good brand. Their pepper sauce is really tasty and nice. So I have to try this out. So we have the Creole seasoning here. Let's see what this has in it. So this has water, seasoning, onion, papaya or pawpaw, hydrolyzed vegetable protein, cornstarch, vinegar, salt, sugar, tomato powder, spice, citric acid, hot pepper, garlic powder, molasses, sodium benzoate, and coloring. So if you wanted to season up some stew chicken, this would be perfect for it, or even some pilau or cook-up rice. So this box actually would go well with a cook-up rice because you have the Creole seasoning and you have your cook-up seasoning And you could put some coconut milk in the rice too. And for most of us who live out of Trinidad, this is a prized pepper sauce. Bertie's pepper sauce is really delicious and tasty. So a lot of people have their families send these pepper sauces for them from Trinidad. Because as soon as these West Indian stores get it, it's sold out really quick. So make sure you sign up for your Callaloo box so you can get this. If you're a pepper lover like me, you're gonna love this pepper sauce. It's really tasty. It tastes like a homemade pepper sauce. Like, you know, if someone made a nice homemade pepper sauce for you, this is exactly how this tastes. And it's very hard to find a homemade tasting pepper sauce out there. So this one is really good. And lastly, we got some browning. So this is called caramel browning. I use this in black cakes, and if you want to make some stew chicken, instead of browning the sugar in the pot, you would just add this to season your chicken, or you can just put it to heat up in the pot instead of actually adding sugar. You put some of the browning in the pot, let it heat up a little bit, and then you add your chicken to it, or whatever type of meat you want to stew. So this comes in handy, especially if you're not good at browning sugar. This is going to come in handy. But it's very strong and concentrated, so make sure you don't use too much when you do use it. So I hope you all enjoyed the review for the Trinbago Creole box this month by Callaloo Box. Make sure you go subscribe to them on their website at www.callaloobox.com. Go follow them on all their social media accounts, so Twitter at Callaloo Box, Instagram at Callaloo Box, and Facebook at Callaloo Box. Go check them out so you can have access to all these amazing Trinbagonian or West Indian products. I hope you all enjoyed the review. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel to stay updated with all the latest videos. And leave me all your comments down below. Until I see you all again in my next video. Bye!